You know, I've got this delicious root beer here, but nothing to drink it in. Until now. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda. You may have a delicious beverage like this sugar-free A&W root beer. No, it's not even root beer. It's cream soda, which always kind of tasted like root beer to me. I don't know why. I mean, root beer is kind of like the creamier of the sodas anyway, but cream soda is just cream soda. Now, I picked up this mug because I thought it looked cool. And for you gearheads out there, I think you're going to like it. Man, it's got a lot of packaging in it. But hey, look at that. A big piece. Oh my gosh, this thing is freaking heavy. I don't know what it's made out of, but the thing about this thing is this is a man's mug, a real man's mug. And that's because only men love working on their engines. And this one's the V6 model. The V8 model is available too, but it was like $2 more. So I wasn't going to go ahead and spend that kind of scratch on it. But what we get here is a pretty big, actually, it feels a little bit like the insulated vacuum sealed stainless steel thermal mugs kind of in there. And then this looks like it is cast out of maybe like a light resin or something. Can I hear it? Like there, and you can kind of see some cut marks where I think it's cast and then cut at the bottom here. And then this is all painted just silver. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's like a plastic and it has a little bit of a paint smell. So I think this thing just came off the assembly line. Handle feels pretty robust, but also that same material there. So some sort of plastic, resin, not really plaster. It doesn't have the weight of it being like a thick plaster, but then painted silver. And we have some black accents there. You can see all the workings there. This is not really an accurate engine because in a V6, we'd have the cylinders and the sleeves right there, and then we wouldn't have kind of a third piston right here on the top. Not as far as I know. Not like that. This is kind of like a radial engine thing. And it's reflected the same on the front and the back, so no flywheel or anything on one particular side, just kind of mirror images of itself. Yeah, just like that. And then the lip here where you're drinking, which doesn't allow you to get a really big lip on the bottom there, so I wouldn't mind if this were a little taller so you get a real big mouth on that mug. So what I would probably do with this thing, I'm actually pretty impressed with it, but I would probably just put this in the sun a little while to let it off gas any of the remnants of paint or solvents that are in that, because I can still kind of smell it, and then clean it up and then just drink your 5W30 motor oil out of it, just like they made that dude drink in Fast and Furious. But man, if you're a gearhead, you want to drink out of something like this, you got your own shop, you sit by your cars, you're looking at your Ferrari or your Fiero that looks like a Ferrari. Yeah, cheers to you, my friend. Hey, if you want to pick up this guy, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.